How to update billing info in Youi Insurance App. Welcome! In this quick guide, we'll walk you through how to update your billing information in the Youi Insurance App. First, open the Youi Insurance App on your mobile device. If you're not already signed in, log in using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the My Policy section. This is where all your active policies are listed. Tap on the policy for which you need to update your billing details. Scroll through the options until you see either billing info or payment details. Tap on it to open your current payment setup. Now, tap on the Edit button next to your existing payment method. From here, you can update your card number, expiration date, or switch to different payment method like bank account or card. After updating the details, make sure to tap Save or Update to confirm your changes. You should see a confirmation message once your billing info is successfully updated. Make sure your new payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. It's also best to update your billing information before your next premium due date to avoid any disruption in coverage.